quinoa with Italian flavors. It's fascinating to think that quinoa was only used to feed livestock way back in history. And now it has become this fancy expensive plant that looks like a grain and is so good for us. Today we are sharing our favorite way to make quinoa with a recipe full of Italian flavors. Ingredients: 250 grams quinoa, 5 sun-dried tomatoes, 5 artichoke hearts, a can of lentils, 50 grams grated parmesan, salt, pepper, oregano to season, extra virgin olive oil, fresh or frozen basil leaves. Preparation: start by cooking your quinoa in salted water. I like to put in at least 5 times the amount of water and a generous amount of salt. I usually leave it to cook for 20 minutes or so. While your quinoa cooks, cut the sun-dried tomatoes and artichokes into small pieces. Take out your can of lentils, drain the excess water, and add it to the other ingredients in the glass bowl. You can obviously use dry lentils and cook them before starting this recipe if you prefer it. Add both vegetables to a large glass or ceramic bowl. Next, you want to grate your parmesan or add the pre-grated one. Then, season with salt and pepper, and add a generous amount of oregano. Finally, add the frozen or fresh basil leaves chopped. By now, your quinoa will be cooked. Take it off the heat, let it cool for a few minutes and then spoon it in on top of the ingredients. It's time to add your liquid gold, a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, to give everything a wonderful flavor. And like that, your salad is ready. This makes a very big bowl that can last you up to 3 days in the fridge. Serve yourself a plate, and enjoy. Tips: you can get creative with this one. Feel free to add or replace some vegetables with our crunchy zucchini, grilled artichokes, broccoli, black and green olives. Go to tastewithgusto.ie to choose your favorite veggies to personalize your Italian quinoa salad.